save it. Okay guys, it's final, it's connected, everything is tied up. The wiring is tucked in between the fender and the frame. The seat doesn't even touch it, so it's fine like that. And I passed the connector between the side cover and the frame, so I don't have any loose. You can see that the other part is moving, but there's no danger that it go close to the wheel. And as for the saddlebag, I have about 4-5 inches of loose, because obviously I need to put my hand between the saddlebag and the frame to connect it. So before screwing the support, obviously I need to connect it, so I will do that right now. Yeah, it's connected. When I push on the saddlebag, you can see that it bent toward the hub. And the wheel is pretty far from there, so there's no danger that it will go into the wheel. Even if it was going straight, it's not long enough to go into the wheel. There you go. This is it, guys. It's finally installed. As you can see, we can't see the wire if we're looking for it, but it's not very showing, so I doubt it will be a problem. And as you can see, at the moment, is the hazard that are on, as well as the running light. So everything's worked great. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.